Hello everyone, good morning. So this is the mini excavator, Kubota mini excavator. So for the previous video I have repaired the hydraulic leak issue on the control valve and also replaced the track roller. So there is 3 of the track roller that we have replaced on the previous video. And yeah, for today's video we will do the seal replacement for the track tensioner, because as you can see here the track is not tight, enough, and we have tried to pump the grease. After I tried to move the excavator a little bit, but then the track link back to the is bending again. The problem might be the track tensioner seal on the inside right here. So we're gonna do the repair for this. On today's video I'll be showing you step by step on how we actually do the reseal or repair for the track tensioner. For those of you that doesn't know what is the track tensioner for the excavator, track tensioner is actually the component inside of this frame right here, which is the tensioner will push front handler. It's gonna make sure that the track link is tight. You can see that the track link is bent, it's not tight. Right, so for the first step we're gonna remove this track link. Yeah, I'm gonna show you exactly the step by step on this. First of all, remove the nipple to release the grease, the remaining grease inside of the tensioner, so that after you remove, then the track link will loose and it will be much more easier to take out the track link out of this line. So the second step is to remove the track link. Lift the excavator up a little bit and then we can remove the track link. But for this one, the track link doesn't have the pin, the master pin. If let's say the track link has the master pin, you can put the position of the master pin right in front of you. Then you can just pull out the pin and the track chain will split into 2. One, the track will go down and one is go up, and you can easily take out the handler and also the track tensioner. But for this one there is no pin, master pin for the track link, and we need to remove the track link to go outside right here, so we can have space to remove the handler, right? So some of the machine, or most of the machine, there is a master pin. So if there is a master pin, and then you can put the position as what I just mentioned just now, put in front, and then you can split it in 2, then we can do the repair. We need to lift the excavator up a little bit. So this is the tool that we're gonna need. So I'm gonna show you how we do it. Okay, so that's how it is. Yeah, for small excavator that might be easy because the track link is small, but for big excavator it must be really complicated because the track link is more bigger and more heavier. You might be need some supporting lifter to do it, but for small excavator like this, it's just very simple. it's not heavy. So yeah, this is how we do it for the small excavator. So now we have more space here because the trackling is now out. So now we need to remove the front idler. So to remove the front handler, you just need to do it like this. Right. Just push it to the front and it's gonna go out. Okay, so this is the tensioner. It's quite a little bit dirty inside here, a lot of soil, and yeah, so you can see here there is a grease, which means that the seal has been worn out. That's why the grease is all out. So you need to clean out all the dirt, soil around the tensioner, so that you can easily pull out the tensioner, because the tensioner is just really easy to pull out from the front, but if the surrounding area is dirty and it might be a bit of hard to pull out the tensioner, because the tensioner actually doesn't have any bolt or nut on the body of the tensioner. It's just sitting here and without any bolt or nut. So yeah, it's really easy actually to pull out the tensioner. Right. See, it's really easy. The tensioner is just sitting here freely, so you can just pull it out like this. Okay. Right. So this is the thing that we will repair today. We're gonna need to clean this first. We're gonna need to wash and clean the tensioner. Okay, so this is the component after we clean. To replace the seal is just very simple. All you need to do is to pull out the shaft right here. To pull out the shaft, and then you can see the seal right here. So this is the seal. Just hook the seal and pull it out. Okay, so one of the seal is broken into pieces. There is two seal, main seal for this tensioner, and this is the another one, still in a good piece, but it's totally worn out. Usually there is two seal for this component. One is the rod seal and another one is the wiper seal. So we're gonna send it to the shop and let them find the exact seal for this component, track tensioner. Yeah, while waiting for the part to come, and we will do this machine. This is the Dosan DH55 that currently we are doing the restoration work. There is a few more things that we need to settle on this machine, and yeah, after the machine is done, I will publish the video for this machine also. Alright, so the new seal has arrived. So this is all the seal. This one is the wiper seal, the one that I mentioned on this video, that one of the seal right here is totally broken into pieces. So yeah, this one is the shape of the wiper seal. This one is the rod seal, and this one is a spacer. The installation is just very simple. All you need to do is just put the seal back on the position. So this one is the rod seal. The rod seal will be below the wiper seal. Just put it like this, and for the rod seal, the wiper seal, the position will be like this. Right, so the seal is now installed. That is how easy to replace the track tensioner seal. So after installing the seal, then put the shaft back to the cylinder, just like this. Then right, so that's all the job needed to do the track tensioner reseal. That's the only seal that we're gonna need to replace. Right, so now everything is completed on this tensioner, so we're gonna do the installation back to the machine. Make sure that everything is clean on this area, so that it's easy for the track tensioner to go in. Right, so that's how simple it is. And then put back the front headlight. Dengan jauh kan? So that is really simple work, because this one is just a small machine, mini excavator. So the front headlight is just it's not heavy, it's just very light. So one person can carry the front headlight, but for the big machine, the headlight is more bigger and more heavier. Right, so after everything is back to the position, we're gonna install back the track link, put it on the track. Alright, so that is how simple it is to install the track link back to the track. Right, so after the trackling installed, back to the track, and yeah, just install back the grease nipple. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video, and that is how exactly to do the maintenance for the track adjuster or the track tensioner. I hope that you can understand my explanation. Even my English is still not really good. I'm still improving my English. Yeah, this is the way that I improvise my English speaking, is by practicing every day on each of my video. I hope that my English speaking much more better, than I can explain more details explanation, more details information about the excavator to you, right? So I think that's all for today's video, and I'll see you on the next video.